Hi, I'm Dave Merlino with Media Resources here at InfoComm 2022 out in Sin City, and I want to talk about our proprietary installation of our LED displays. We're very proud of it. We tried to take all the guesswork out of it and make it easy as possible. So when you work with us and purchase an LED display from us, the installation hardware and the trim kit and everything comes with the display. As you can see here, it's very low profile. It's all of 0.7 inches. This drills directly into any stud, wood stud or metal stud, and then the frames attach directly to our installation hardware. You can see we thought about a lot of things with the frames, including this piece right here, which is rather unique. This brings all the corners together and helps to level set every cabinet, make sure we're all even and organized and have a great level system to work from. You can see our data flow comes up through the cabinets. You can see the power comes up through the cabinets. And then if you can see here, of course, the boards are magnetized. There is no ribbon cable in between the modules and the cabinet. They snap directly on, and every single one of these magnets is adjustable in the Z-axis to give you great Z-axis fine-tuning and get the boards all level and even with each other. It's a great system. It includes the trim work. That is included in the price as well. Gives you a nice, clean finish. We have the corner pieces. And finally, we have a raceway. It is optional. It can be removed, but it comes in very handy. As you can see here, you can put the power and date in the bottom, and the GC has some flexibility. They can put the power anywhere along the raceway, and it gives you a lot of room. And as we all know, getting the power exactly on the wall at the right space is a challenge for every single install. Thanks very much. Check us out at MediaResources.com.